In today's video, we're going to look at the iFume, which is designed for ease of use whilst providing class-leading performance. We'll go into its features, its operating system, and why we believe it's the best value machine available on the market today. Firstly, its features. The iFume is multi-voltage. This means it can be used anywhere in the world without additional setup or the worry of the electronics being damaged. The machine's performance also remains consistently high, irrespective of the voltage. And at only 55 decibels, the iFume is one of the quietest on the market. It also has an innovative, easy-to-use interface, which is clearly displaying all relevant information and allows you to perform a multitude of tasks quickly through the use of its full-colour touchscreen. This includes an anti-tamper system to prevent unwanted airflow adjustments, a blocked hose alarm to quickly identify the problem and avoid unnecessary filter changes, a door open alarm to ensure safety of the operator as well as protecting the process, independent monitoring, telling the user specifically which filter needs replacing to maximize filter life and minimize downtime, a temperature monitor with a safety cutout ensuring the machine does not go past a safe working temperature, a precise airflow control monitor displaying its target and actual airflow, and for increased safety, a gas and particulate sensor as standard, which monitors the cleaned air and will alarm if gas or particulate are detected. The primary reasons for this are to see if the filters are damaged, if the incorrect filters have been fitted, and also if they've been removed. A traffic light system is used to tell you which filter needs changing and when. To make the extractor easy to keep clean, the cabinet itself is made of high-grade stainless steel with an IP54 rating, meaning that washing it down isn't a problem. The iFume comes as standard with full-colour touchscreen, you've got your pre-filter, a main filter, connection hose, and of course a power cable. And optional extras can include a unit which is specifically designed to deal with PVC applications, a vent-to-air cowl, which directs the HEPA-filtered air to either a laser chamber or wherever the purified air is required, a compressor, and we can even brand your extractor with your own custom design. The iFume is certified to TUV and CE standards with all the relevant quality certifications. We believe the iFume to be the best value machine on the market today due to its build quality, its universal ease of use, its full-colour touchscreen interface, and of course, its low maintenance cost. For more information on our products or to chat to one of our team, please give us a call.